How to fix your Xbox error code 0x87DE07D1 exclamation. So there are a lot of different reasons why you would be facing this, but to be generic and to be specific, this error usually means that there's a problem connecting to Xbox Live. So in order to fix it, the first thing you want to do is simply check your Xbox Live status. Go to status.xbox.com and check if everything is up and running. If that is not the case, you want to simply go ahead and test your internet connection. Go to settings, general network settings, and simply go ahead and test your internet connection and make sure that it is exactly as the ISP has promised. If not, you can simply try restarting your console or even your modem and router. If it's still not working, you could try removing and re-adding your network or account. And if nothing works, you want to simply contact support@support.xbox.com. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.